Germs are unavoidable, but having a hand sanitizer on the go comes in handy when soap and water is nowhere in sight. So today I'm going to show you how to make a hand sanitizer with all natural ingredients. So here's what you'll need. Aloe vera gel, alcohol-free witch hazel, vitamin E oil, lavender essential oil and peppermint essential oil. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of aloe vera gel, which acts as a base for this hand sanitizer. It's very nourishing for the skin, making it soft and smooth. Then add 1 tablespoon of our main ingredient, witch hazel. Its strong antioxidant and astringent properties kill bacteria that live in the skin pores. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil to make the sanitizer more nourishing. Go ahead by adding 8 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil that imparts a pleasing fragrance and peppermint essential oil that works as an antibacterial agent. Mix them all well and pour the mixture into a clean bottle. Shake gently before each use. Add a small amount to your hands and rub. It will leave your hands feeling soft and clean. I hope you liked this video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.